This video is on arithmetic progressions AP of exemplar. In this video, I have explained two sample questions which are written before the exercise 5.4. This is part 3. Now sample questions written before the exercise 5.4. Sample question 1 is, the sum of four consecutive numbers in an AP is 32 and the ratio of the product of the first and the last terms to the product of the two middle terms is 7:15. Find the numbers. Now let four consecutive numbers in an AP are a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, and a plus 3d. Whenever we are to take four consecutive numbers in AP, we will take a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. So be careful while taking the numbers. And according to question, the sum of four consecutive numbers in an AP is 32. It means a minus 3d plus a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 3d is equal to 32. Now this and this is cancelled and this is cancelled. I have 4a is equal to 32. A is equal to 32 by 4. 4 8s are. It means a is equal to 8. Now ratio of the product of the first and the last terms to the product of the two middle terms is 7:15. A minus 3d into a plus 3d upon a minus d and a plus d. This is equal to 7/15. Now a minus 3d into a plus 3d. A minus b, a plus b is a square minus b square. A square minus 3d whole square upon a square minus d square. This is equal to 7/15. This is a square minus 9d square upon a square minus d square is equal to 7/15. Now cross multiply it. We will get 15a square minus 135d square is equal to 7a square minus 7d square. This is 15a square minus 7a square is equal to 135d square minus 7d square. This is 8a square is equal to 128d square. So 128d square is equal to 8a square. We can write it like this. It means d square is equal to 8a square upon 128. Now substitute the value of a. 8 into 8 square upon 128. Value of a is equal to 8. And this is equal to 8 into 8 into 8 upon 128. Cut the numbers. You will have d square is equal to 4. Value of d is equal to plus minus 2. When a is equal to 8 and d is equal to 2. So numbers are, substitute these values here. You will have 8 minus 3 into 2. 8 minus 2. 8 plus 2. 8 plus 3 into 2. You will have 2, 6, 10, and 14. And if we have a is equal to 8 and d is equal to minus 2, then substitute the values in these numbers. You will have 8 minus 3 into minus 2, 8 minus minus 2, 8 plus minus 2, 8 plus 3 minus 2. You will have 14, 10, 6, and 2. So in both the cases, your numbers will be 2, 6, 10, and 14. Now sample question 2. Solve the equation 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10 up to x is equal to 287. We have to find the value of x. Now here a is equal to 1, d is equal to 4 minus 1, that is 3, an is equal to x, and Sn is equal to 287. Here an is equal to x, Sn is equal to 287. First write the formula for an. An is a plus n minus 1 d. An is x, a is 1, n minus 1, and d is equal to 3. So x is equal to 1 plus 3n minus 3. So x is equal to 3n minus 2. Write the formula for Sn. That is n by 2 a plus an. Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus an. Sn is equal to 287. N by 2 a is equal to 1. An is equal to x. So there are two variables, n and x. So this is equal to 287 n by 2 1 plus, instead of x write 3n minus 2. 3n minus 2. This is equal to 287 is equal to n by 2 3n minus 1. Multiply by 2. You will have 574 is equal to 3n square minus n. This is quadratic in n. Here a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 1, and c is equal to minus 574. And n is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 whole square minus 4, a is 3, c is minus 574 upon 2 into 3. This is equal to 1 plus minus 1 plus 6888 upon 6. So n is equal to 1 plus minus 6889 upon 6. This is equal to 1 plus minus 83 upon 6. Root of 6889 is equal to 83. I'll find it here. 6889. 8 8s are 64. 489. Double of 8 is 16. 3 and 3. This is 489. And root of 6889 is 83. It means n is equal to 1 plus 83 upon 6 and 1 minus 83 upon 6. So this is equal to 84 by 6 or minus 82 by 6. So this is 14 minus 41 by 3. But we know n cannot be negative. Number of terms cannot be negative. Therefore, n is equal to 14. Since I am to find the value of x is equal to 3n minus 2. Just substitute the value of n. It is 3 into 14 minus 2. 42 minus 2, that is equal to 40. I'm going to write one alternative method here. So our question was 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10 plus x is equal to 287. I am to find the value of x. Here a is 1, d is 4 minus 1, that is 3, an is equal to x, and Sn is equal to 287. Generally, we write this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Sn is 287 is equal to n by 2, 2 into 1 plus n minus 1, d is 3. This is 287 is equal to n by 2, 2 plus 3n minus 3. This is multiplied by 2. This is equal to 574 is equal to n, 3n minus 1. Now this is equal to 574 is equal to 3n square minus n. Now 3n square minus n minus 574 is equal to 0. This is quadratic in n. So you have to find the value of n. Now I'm going to split the middle term. So 3n square, I'm going to factorize it now. 3n square minus 42n plus 41n minus 574 is equal to 0. Take 3n common, n minus 14 in the bracket, plus 41 common, n minus 14 in the bracket is equal to 0. This is n minus 14 and 3n plus 41 is equal to 0. Either n minus 14 is 0 or 3n plus 41 is 0. Here n is equal to 14. Here n is equal to minus 41 by 3. So n cannot be negative. It implies n is equal to 14. Now I am to find the value of x. For that, write the formula for an. A plus n minus 1 d. Now I am to find the value of x. Now an is equal to x. A is 1, n is 14, minus 1 and d is 3. Here x is equal to 1 plus 13 into 3. This is equal to 1 plus 39. That is equal to 40. So value of x is equal to 40. So I have written two methods here. Whichever you find it easy, you can do that. Now this is the end of the video. In part 1, I have explained 5 sample questions which are written before the exercise 5.1 and 5.2. In part 2, I have explained 3 sample questions which are written before the exercise 5.3. And in this part 3, I have explained 2 sample questions which are written before the exercise 5.4. So total number of sample questions in exemplar in 5th chapter are 10.